Yo, yo, what up, y'all? So, it is Friday. I am home. I'm all cleaned up, as you can see. And yes, I am wearing a shirt. Um, I'm getting ready to go shoe shopping. Oh, shit, I got that camera all up on me. My bad. Getting ready to go shoe shopping. Buy some cases for my shoes, because I know a lot of y'all don't know this, but my car collection and all that is just part of what I got. I got all kinds of collections. I got a nice little shoe collection. I got about 14, 15 pairs of shoes. So I need to get they got, I seen on another YouTuber's channel, they have a plastic container that stacks and you can put your shoes in them so they don't get dusty and shit. Cause sometimes just sitting on the shelf, cause obviously I don't get to wear my shoes that often between being gone on the road and everything. So and having so many pairs. So I have to put them up so they don't get dusty, cause just the dust collecting on them. Like I just put on my J's. Like I got these, I think, can't remember if I got those on my birthday or if I got them for Father's Day this year. You know, I just put them on. I ain't had them on in like, it's like the second time I've worn them ever. So, and I'm gonna go try to buy another pair. I seen another pair I really like. So, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go get the shoe boxes. I'm gonna go. Damn, I forgot what I was saying, bro. I'm gonna go to the mall. I gotta get my son a new pair of shoes too. And then tomorrow morning, me and some of the guys from the club, we're gonna go get well, I'm getting my tips put on. And some of the other guys are getting straight piped, and some of them are getting tips. There's a few of us going down there to get a few different things. So have that first thing in the morning for y'all. Of course, it'll be on this video. You already see it, but and then we got to, see what else happens this weekend. So, but I'm gonna get this cold start going for y'all real quick.
Hey, Dad.
What?
Is it fun if you get the money out that I can get a necklace at the mall? Because I can,
I think my key fob's dead. Uh-oh. Is this the right key? Yeah. Yeah, my key, damn. My key fob's dead. Because it is not working at all. That'll suck. I don't even know where the other one is. Yeah, I do. It's in my... dang it. I gotta go in here, sneak in the house, grab my other key. It's in my safe. So I'll give y'all a sneak peek of my closet real quick, because I have a nice wardrobe and shoe collection and a bunch of other stuff. But I am not about to show y'all what's in my safes. So that's one of my big ass safes, and that's the other. What is in there is none of y'all's business. Maybe one day.
Hey, can I get my wallet and I'll get jewelry or no?
Huh?
Get like jewelry or no?
Hold on, I'm trying to find. Listen quiet so I can see if this key works. Shit, I didn't hear it. I'll just take the key and we'll see if it works. Pull my door shut, son. Man. All right, let's try to see if this second key works. I hope it does. Damn, both keys are dead. Ain't this a bitch? What? Unless my car is dead. I doubt that. Let me see. Probably gonna set off the alarm. Damn. Hold on, y'all. Probably gonna set an alarm off in your bed. Hold this.
Face you?
I think it's facing me, yeah.
Yeah.
So if the alarm goes off, I know it's just a key fob. Oh, my car might be dead. My car is dead. Did somebody mess with my keys this week?
No.
The only reason my car should be dead is if my lights or something got left on. Ain't this a bitch? I gotta jump start my damn car.
My friend likes your car there.
Go bring me the keys to my Tahoe, please. Damn. I don't even know how this happened. We've been running just fine. So now, y'all get to watch me jump start my damn car. Set this tripod up so y'all can get a cold start and everything on here. What?
Are you starting with that one or that one?
My Tahoe, that's the Suburban keys. I need the Tahoe keys.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. Yeah, 'cause my car is dead.
Two things. One thing, what your chargers then?
Yeah.
My friend said your rims are nice, and I got you some
Okay. You know his name?
Come on, Trey. Come on.
I meant his YouTube name.
Yeah, it's Trey, remember? He's been... Oh, Mike, come over here. The guy that salted you? No, actually I do. It's like DW salted me.
Give me the jumper cables out of the bottom drawer over there. In case most of y'all don't know, the battery is actually in the back, hold on. But there are jump terminals in the front. Straighten this camera up, some of it's just crooked. What?
You know the guy that like first on your video was Trey?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the kind of side he runs it.
Yeah. Grab one side of it.
Well, I don't know. Get shot.
How are you gonna get shot, boy?
Maya.
Hey, things are all tangled. Hold that. Come on. Don't let them touch. Keep them apart. Keep them apart.
Maya.
Damn it.
You want me to like carry the tripod down here and record it?
No, it's recording. I'm just gonna see now. Put it on the pods in the front and see if it's enough to get her jump. Might have to go in and manually start it. Damn it.
Is it dead because you haven't used it?
No, I don't know why it's wrong.
We'll go on.
See, my lights are on though, maybe that's why. I think my lights got left on. I see my lights on the front, my neon shouldn't be on. Come here. Right, well, I think I'm gonna have to turn the truck around and actually jump it from the trunk.
Let go?
Yeah, I'm gonna jump the actual battery.
I can hear your music.
Not anymore, probably.
What?
Not now that I shut it off, probably.
Coming!
This sucks, people. Damn it, boy. Now you keep them apart. I'm about to hook them up. Well, it's really dead because it doesn't want to start. So I'm going to have to let it charge for a few minutes and I'll get back with y'all. Alright, y'all, so I came up here to AutoZone, let them test my battery. You know, I got jump started and I'm not carrying my cables, but it's probably noisy because I'm right next to the highway, but I was worried that something's wrong and the battery might need replaced, so he's testing it. I don't know, I mean, hoping just left something on and nothing's you know, dead. I don't gotta buy a new battery. There's nothing bad out here. Unless anything left on. I don't know. Hopefully not.
What is that? What is it? What's the type of measurements for the batteries? Well, CCA, I know it's not regular.
Alright, y'all, so today caught me well, I actually only got one pair. I tried to buy two pair, but second pair didn't have my size. But I got another pair of J's today. Y'all ready for this? Adding some color to my wardrobe. Bam! Check that out. It's purple, black, and white. I tried to buy a jersey to go with it, but their jersey selection was trash too. I went to 3 different places for that. Went to Foot Locker, Champs, which is where I bought the actual shoes, and then I went to another sports place in the mall, and my other J's that I wore today, and shit. Anyway, I went to 3 different stores trying to get another jersey to go with the shoes, and I couldn't find one. All I could find was Lakers LeBron James, and I should have went about to put on a LeBron James jersey with Jordan shoes. I don't know. I mean, I ain't saying you can't. I'm just saying it seemed weird. So anyway, got the new J's, you know, and like I was telling you earlier, It's late, by the way. I just got back from dinner and shit. Y'all ignore my messy bathroom. I got so many fucking pairs of shoes. I got 2 pairs of these. I got these in white and black. Those are my dress shoes. I got these, which I'm sure y'all have seen. I got these ones. Same thing pretty much, just different colors. I got these. And see, these shoes here I've had for 2 years. Look at that. Look brand fucking new. I take care of my shit. But like I said, just sitting here in the shoe holder is making, you know, Collect does. These here are my workout shoes. So, I mean, I've had these for like 3 years. But shit, they still decent. But all I do is run and shit in them. Those are work boots. And I got 3 pairs of really good, these boots right here. Y'all see them. These boots here are about 250 bucks a pair. And I got 3 different pair. Harley Davidson boots, because you know I've been on bikes and shit my whole life. That's the 2nd pair, and the 3rd pair is in there, as y'all can see. Shit, but you know, so that's my boot collection for that. Oh shit, I got a couple pair of work boots in here too. Like those is work boots, those is work boots. These behind it are not work boots. These here are my lugs, which I have 2 pairs of lug boots. Those are my light brown. These are my black lug boots. And then I have another pair of lug tennis shoes in white back there. Those down there is my house shoes. And then I have another pair of brand new shoes up here, which I ain't never even taken these bitches out the box. Still brand new, not even ever been worn. I got these a while back. I said, I don't know, I have a shoe fetish as well, with all my other collections of shit. So, I have shoes everywhere. I'm worse than a woman, man. I got so many fucking shoes, it's ridiculous. And really, that's not all, because I have 2 or 3 more pair out there. 1 pair is work. I buy my wife some, too. It's like, she got the same lug boots. Like I told you, see them black lug boots? I bought her the same pair. She also has all kinds of boots and shoes, you know, feminine shit. But see, she don't take care of her shit. Look, these are another pair of black lugs that I bought her. Look at them. She's tearing them up. Look. See that? All her shoes. I got her tons of pairs of shoes. These Nikes. Look at them. Another pair of Nikes up here. They're all beat up. She just don't take care of them like I do. Another pair of Nikes up here. They're not as horrible. They're almost not bad at all. And she got all kinds of like little dress shoes and shit. And then I know she's got another pair of, and she got all kinds of dress shoes and shit down there. But, you know, I got 4 or 5 different jerseys, mostly Chiefs jerseys. That's mostly what I wear, you know. So, and most of my wardrobe consists of black. You know, like I told you, I was, you know, motorcycle club for many, many years. So I got 2, 3 vests here, and all my shit's black, all of it. All my shit's black. And I just started adding color. All this is the color and shit that I just started buying. Like I bought that to go with the yellow shoes. I got that. I mean, and all my shit's name brand. I don't buy junk. I don't buy trash. But some shit I ain't even wore. I still got new shit I haven't even worn yet. Shit, but. Alright, y'all, that's a quick rundown of my closet. I'm about to go in here and crash the fuck out. So, catch y'all tomorrow. Alright, y'all, so last night I figured out what was killing my battery. My son came home from work and came in and told me he found a light on in my car. And if y'all can see, in that corner, that light's on right there. See that? So, basically, that's staying on, and my car's sitting for a whole week at a time like that. That side is not on. So, I'm going to have to take it back down there to Audio Zone, to J. Cruz and Real, and have them fix that, because that killing my battery. So I'm gonna do that today and go get my 5-inch tips put on and see what else I can get popping today after I get my hair cut. Get this cold started going, since I couldn't get one for you yesterday. Move, baby.
Is it on shotgun?
y'all hear her talking, but so I'm gonna go get my hair chopped, and then I'm gonna run down here to the muffler shop, get these 5-inch tips put on, and go by and talk to Jake Cruton about getting my light fixed over there. My battery quit dying, so I'll catch y'all in a minute. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, thought before I ended the video, I'd get this first cold start in on you with the new tips. See if y'all can tell the sound difference. Tell me what y'all think. Go ahead, Aaliyah.
Go ahead.
But that's going to be the end of the show. Y'all please go like, comment,